So every morning you come into the classroom, you go to the cart, you take your Chromebook out, you go sit where you're going to sit, and you usually open it and log in, and then off you go on your work. By logging into that account, by logging into your Chromebook, you log into all of your accounts, your Dreambox, iReady, Google Classroom, WeVideo, whatever it is that we're using, Khan Academy, any of those. Now, that works great at school. At home, you go home to finish something, or go home to work on a project, or update your Google site or something, and we don't have the same luxury of just having that Chromebook to take back and forth. So sometimes you have to use somebody else's computer. So how do you get to your stuff? So by downloading Google Chrome, which is what I'm in right now, Google Chrome, I'm able to create a profile which would save all of my stuff. And then I could add another profile of a brother or a sister or a mom or dad or somebody, so all of their stuff is separate from yours. So I open Chrome, and I'm right here, and it pops up with Welcome to Chrome. So I hit Sign In. Now it's really neat, when you hit Sign In, that should look familiar to you. That's the same login box that we use at school. So I'm just going to type in my login. Now the one difference is you at school don't have to type in the @menifeeusd.org. That's something that the IT department of our school has already taken care of, so you don't have to worry about that. But at home, you got to make sure you log in with your whole thing, your whole email address. And then once you click Next, type in your password. Now, by doing that, it should log you into all of your stuff. Okay. This is a thing asking, okay, are you sure you want to link your browser to this data on this account, this one that you're creating, with your school data? And you do want to do that. That keeps everything synced. And so now what it should do is it should start to pop up and add your bookmarks, add any extensions, add anything that you have into your account. It'll just start popping stuff up. These are some things that I use, some different extensions when I'm creating stuff or doing stuff. All right, once it gets all those loaded, then you're in, and you should see your stuff. You should see your bookmarks. You should see all the stuff that you have. So if you clicked on Clever and hit Login with Google, you should have Dreambox and iReady. If you went to Google Classroom, it should log you right into our classroom. Or Google Drive, it would log you right into your Google Drive. And you can always tell because your login, your picture, whatever you have set up, is set up right over here in the corner. So even if you go to Google, you should still see your little login or your picture. Okay. Now by doing that, you're keeping your stuff separate from anyone else that's using that computer. And you're also keeping, if you search for something at home or work on something from home, it'll sync back with what you're doing at school as well, which will make it easy so you don't have to worry about losing something or having something messed up. It's all synced back and forth together. So just by using those profiles, by signing into Google, it allows you to do that. Now let's say you have another brother or sister or somebody that also works or goes to school in our district, and they need to have their profile. Then you would just manage people, hit add a person, and then type their stuff in, and then it will pop up and do the same thing. You'll see the same login box and everything that we saw. And that allows them to work on their Google Classroom and their stuff, and you to work on yours, which is kind of makes everything easier for us to do. All right. So I hope that works. I hope that helps clarify any of that, how to get to your websites and everything that we use every day. And if you have any questions, don't forget to ask in class.